Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit your personal informations in the Remix application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the account button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then at the settings section, click on the name and password button. So as you can see, you can edit your name if you want to, and you can change the password. So for that you have to type in your current password, and then a new password which should contain capital and small letters, numbers, special characters, and at least 8 characters. And once you've done that, just click on the save button and your informations are set. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.